Hi, I'm Honey, and in this quick video, I'm gonna show you all the essential watercolor supplies I recommend for beginners. These are also the materials I use for most of my video tutorials. All the materials are listed in the description below. Let's get started. For my brushes, I'm using synthetic sable brushes by Princeton. This one is the Princeton Elite 1.5 inch Mottler brush. I use this for large areas and washes. This is the Princeton Heritage 4050 round, size 12 that I use for large areas, size 6 that I use for medium areas, and size 2 that I use for small areas and fine details. For the paint, I'm using Daniel Smith's Essentials watercolor set, as well as the secondary set and neutral tint. I typically squeeze the tubes into a plastic travel palette like this and let it dry overnight. That way it's ready to use whenever. I'm also using Dr. P.H. Martin's Bleed Proof White for white areas and highlights. For paper, I'm using Arches 100% cotton cold pressed paper that I tape to a hard board with masking tape or artist tape. I also use Canson XL watercolor paper for practice and warm-ups. You also need some jars of clean water. I like to use 3 cups of water so I don't have to change my water as often. I make sure I have some paper towels on hand for wiping and for blotting out excess water. If you found this helpful, make sure you like the video so I know to make more content like this. Subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when new videos come out. Thank you for watching!